So in today's video, I'm going to show you the two most important features inside of Pro Tools. So before I do that, let's talk about this session. This is a session that I got from FL Studio. I downloaded the demo. So up here, I have all these overlapping vocals. By the way, it's a 2-track session, but I wanted to make everything a lot smaller, more manageable. So this is what I came up with. I'm not going to play it. It's not important. Okay, so you're ready to know what are the two most important things? This is one of them. Save as. Control Windows S opens this. Are you disappointed? I hope not, because this is crucial. As you can see, I already did this. It's extremely important whenever you're working on a project to save as. I know everybody says Control S is your friend. You're constantly saving. But creating revisions, it's extremely important in what we do. Now, it really doesn't matter how you name things. Personally, I'm not sharing this session with another engineer, so I'm not doing any collaboration or anything like that. I mix, bounce, send the bounce to the client. If they approve, great, right? If we take a look at CLA, whenever he does a revision, he calls it up, which is awesome. I do the name of the song, V1, V2, V3, or you could do Rev 1, Rev 2. It doesn't matter as long as you understand what it is. So what is the second feature? Go to Setup, Preferences, Operation, Auto Backup. That's right. Auto Backup, it's crucial. Some people actually disable this. This is incredibly important. In case something fails, Pro Tools accidentally decides to close itself, you can always go to the backup folder and recover your session from there. I don't know if you guys hear that. I got a bird chirping front window. There's nothing I could do about that.